Many construction workers experience unorganized, insecure workdays. Does it have to be this way? What will the same conditions mean in other circumstances?
Jaha.
Har ni mjölken någonstans?
Construction work requires massive resources and generates traffic which burdens the environment. Vehicles, machines and materials crowd construction sites, leading to damaged materials, theft and waste. The work environment at today's building sites has improved, but there are still twice as many serious accidents compared to other industries. Statistics show that half of all industrial injuries are related to material handling. 7 out of 10 workers over 50 have received permanent injuries that affect their daily lives. 8 out of 10 find the job hectic and stressful. In order to meet future demands for resource-efficient building for both the environment and the workers, a local building logistics centre provides a unique solution. We aid the development of logistics in the building industry, as well as research into sustainability, profitability and safety. The Building Logistics Centre provides all the involved parties with resources for efficient joint handling of transport, materials and waste on the construction site. Normally, 5 out of 10 deliveries are late to the site because of deficiencies on the logistics side. Builders are forced to wait, search for materials or go get them themselves. The BLC improves delivery precision using a joint transport booking system, automated gates, and short-term storage options. From here, the materials can be delivered to the site as and when they are needed. The warehouse is weather protected, dehumidified, and enclosed. To avoid lots of small deliveries and increase accessibility on site, materials are unloaded and reloaded at the BLC and distributed by the daily shuttle to the building site. This coordinated method reduces the amount of transport on the site by 30 to 40%. Green hybrid vehicles are used to keep pollution to a minimum. Direct deliveries without reloading can be booked for larger volumes. This provides a time slot and reserved spot for unloading. Workspaces are close together and normally all materials are stored on site. The BLC frees up space for efficient and safe construction, since nothing is stored in public spaces. The BLC also provides the joint use of machinery. Unloading and lifting can be booked, as well as help carrying all types of goods. This can also be done after hours, so that the right materials are in place when the working day begins. Stockholm Royal Seaport has strict environmental rules. The maximum amount of waste is 20 kilos per square meter surface built. This is half the usual amount. This demand must be met throughout the whole supply chain of materials. In order to encourage recycling, the BLC coordinates the waste disposal prescribed by law using small recycling skips at every workstation. Waste can also be collected at every floor level. To further minimize transportation, waste is collected in larger containers and then compressed and taken to the recycling station. At Stockholm Royal Seaport, the city is also focusing on the work environment. The building industry currently has 600 near accidents, 10 accidents and 1 death per month. By rationalizing material handling and managing deliveries, BLC can improve the work environment and minimize injuries and accidents. Everyone is entitled to a stress-free and safe work environment. Therefore, visitors, delivery men and workers must follow the safety regulations that apply on site and wear protective equipment such as high-visibility clothing, hard hats, safety boots with steel toe caps and puncture-resistant soles. Work requiring more protection is regulated by the Work Environment Act. Everyone is registered using IDO 6 cards when coming and going through the turnstiles at the site. This way, emergency services know who is on site if an accident occurs. Signs at every gate help them find the scene of the accident. To prevent theft and damage, guards patrol the area, especially at night and on weekends. A well-organized workplace not only minimizes waste and damaged materials, it also lowers stress levels and reduces trip and fall accidents and accidents caused by improvised lifting. To improve communication with all building sites, there is a common information channel in the construction trailers, showing things like the site layout plan with updates on unloading spots, production stages, blocked streets and crane locations. Developing the BLC is a work in progress, so any thoughts and suggestions for improvements are welcome. Together, we can free up valuable time by reducing the time spent collecting, searching, and waiting for materials. The right amount of the right materials can be ordered to the right place at the right time. The BLC creates new possibilities. Improved construction logistics reduce the environmental impact of building. The economy of each project is improved and the work environment is enhanced. For sustainable and resource-efficient construction, Building Logistics Center.